Howdy y'all, it's Michael, your East Texan Grillmaster, and today we're turning a classic comfort food into a smokehouse masterpiece. Smoked meatloaf on the Masterbuilt Gravity 1050. We're talking bold flavors, slow smoke, and juicy loaf that'll make your neighbors accidentally wander over.
If you're a BBQ lover, then you need to taste the true flavors of East Texas. Welcome to the East Texan Grillmaster channel, where every recipe tells a story and every bite is a taste of tradition. Here, it's not just about meat, it's about community, history, and that sweet, tangy sauce that makes East Texas BBQ so special. From hickory smoked ribs that fall off the bone to succulent, saucy pulled pork sandwiches, we celebrate the flavors that put the piney woods on the map. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some southern comfort classics like smoked meatloaf and chicken fried steak. So grab a plate, pull up a chair, and join me on this delicious journey through the heart of East Texas. Hit subscribe, and let's get grilling.
First things first, we're starting with 2 pounds of good ground beef, 80/20ths, a half pound of hot sausage. You want that fat for flavor. In goes a 1/4 cup of Bear and Burton's WSauce for a deep, savory kick. Then a couple tablespoons of Meat Church Holy Cow for that sweet, spicy bark. Cut to mixing bowl combined beef, binder, seasoning, diced onions, breadcrumbs, and eggs. Mix it just until combined. We ain't making hamburger paste here. Keep it tender.
Bourbon glaze dripping that shines insane. Masterbuilt rocking, can't stop this train. Slice that loaf, hear the juices sing. Smoky meat, heaven's my favorite thing. 'Cause I'm back to smoke. Yes, I'm back to smoke. Yes, I'm back to smoke. Yeah, I'm back to smoke. Bourbon glaze dripping that shines insane. Masterbuilt rocking, can't stop this train. Slice that loaf, hear the juices sing. Smoky meat, heaven's my favorite thing. Yes, I'm back to smoke. Yeah, I'm back to smoke. Bacon crackling, loaf stack battling, sweet smoke rattling, appetite. A final back to smoke. Yeah, I'm back to smoke. I'm back, yeah, back to smoke that meatloaf. Riff place, yeah, ah, yeah. Back to smoke, I got the hickory rolling, bacon wrap loaf, and the
Now we're shaping this into a loaf and taking it over the top with a full bacon weave. Yep, bacon on meatloaf because we can. Lay the weave over, tuck those ends, and give it another light coat of Meat Church. Holy gospel, so it'll caramelize like BBQ candy. Over to the Masterbuilt Gravity 1050. Running jealous devil lump coal with a couple chunks of hickory for that East Texas kiss of smoke. I've got my FireBoard too. Drive set at 275. Perfect for slow smoking. Meatloaf without drying it out. We're gonna let this roll for about 2 hours until we hit 155 internal. Then we're glazing.
Yes, I'm back to
In a saucepan over medium heat, add the bourbon and simmer for 3-4 minutes to reduce. Add honey, brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, ketchup, Worcestershire, garlic, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and cayenne. Stir and let simmer for 8-10 minutes until syrupy. Remove from heat, stir in butter.
Loaf stack battling, sweet smoke rattling, appetite. A final back to smoke. Yeah, I'm back to smoke. I'm back, yeah, back to smoke that meatloaf. Riff place, yeah, yeah. Back to smoke, I got the hickory rolling, bacon wrap loaf, and the fat is flowing. Seasoned up tight, got that barbecue vibe. Firebox hot, keep that temp alive. 'Cause I'm back to smoke. Yes, I'm back to smoke. Bourbon glaze dripping, that shines insane. Masterbuilt rocking, can't stop this train. Slice that loaf, hear the juices sing. Smoky meat, heaven's my favorite thing. 'Cause I'm back to smoke. Yes, I'm back to smoke. Yes, I'm back to smoke. Yeah, I'm back to smoke. Bourbon glaze dripping, that shines insane. Masterbuilt rocking, can't stop this train. Slice that loaf, hear the juices sing. Smoky meat, heaven's my favorite thing. Yes, I'm
Smoke it until it hits 155 internal. About 2 hours, then glaze it thick with Texas-style sweet and savory honey bourbon glaze. Finish it to 165 internal and let it rest 10 minutes.
bacon crackling, loaf stack battling.
Look at that smoke ring, that bacon crust, y'all.
Rattling,
This is BBQ comfort food done right.
a final back to smoke.
Smoky, juicy, and loaded with flavor. This is why we do what we do. If you enjoyed this cook, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your BBQ crew. I'm Michael, your East Texan Grillmaster. The best meals are smoked slow, shared fast. See y'all next time.